Alright, real quick, I'm going to make one gratuitously loud video. Took the exhaust pipes off my Honda CX because I'm going to probably just end up running straight pipes or doing some custom job or something like that. But you always got to have one of these gratuitously loud videos, you know what I mean? So this is going to be an extremely cold start because it's like, I'd say it's just above freezing in the garage and it's 10 degrees outside at the moment, so this is pretty damn cold. So I'm not going to rev the heck out of the motor because it's cold. But still, we'll still do something here. That's a good starter. Yeah, it's cold. Yeah, it's about as good as it's going to get. Like I said, it's about 30 degrees inside. Look at this thing. It's not liking this cold weather one bit. Oh, there you go. Enjoy.